Hello everyone, welcome to Study Automation. Now in this tutorial we will see how to get first employee or first object from the array list based on certain condition. So if I'll run now, you will see we have all the data coming. We are just printing the data. Now suppose if I want to compare something, right? I want the employee who is living in Delhi, right? Or maybe let's print our first employee only, first employee whose salary whose name is starting with ch. So if I need to do the same thing, what we can do, fill a stream employees dot stream, and then here what we can do, dot, and I'll do apply here filter, and here in this filter I will use one predicate, let's say p, and then what I'll do, p dot, and I'll say starts with p dot get employee name dot starts with, and I'll say, let's say ch. So I get here all the employees which is starting with ch. Now our condition is I want only first employee, so I can simply write here first find first, this method, and then I'll apply here dot get. So you can see get method. This method will return employee object, right? Only single employee object. So I'll say obj equal to this. So which is matching these all criteria, we get this object, and then after that you can simply print that data. So I'll just copy this for loop, this print statement here, and then instead of writing p, I'll write here obj just to print all the employee information or data. So you can use this method, which is very important. Instead of directly printing all the things, you can use get method, find first, and get method to get the employee object which matches these criteria, and then you can print that thing. So you will see this one. So here find first will get you after matching all the criteria, and then after that you can just print this data. So if you want to just find the first element in that array based on some certain criteria, you can do this thing. Thank you so much for watching the video.